All right, today is day 4. It's one of my favorites. I'm gonna make a snowball launcher. All right, parents, you might have to help them put together the launcher. Take everything out of your bag, sort it out. Okay, you are going to need your popsicles and your rubber bands first. Okay, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 small ones, 2 large ones, and you have a spoon and the rubber bands. We are gonna take and we're gonna stack these 4 small ones, stack them one on top of the other, just like that. You're gonna hold it and you're gonna take a rubber band and you're gonna put it on the end.
I'm gonna get real close so you can see what Chrissy's doing.
Okay.
There we go.
And then once this side is done, flip it. Take another rubber band. Do the same thing. Okay. This is actually a very hard fine motor skills for the little ones, so that's why I'm saying, parents, you might have to help them with it. 4 and 5-year-olds, they could probably do it a little bit better by themselves. All right, so 2 big ones, stack them together, and we're only gonna put 1 rubber band on one end. Okay. Oh, goodness. All right, so just one end. Then you're gonna open it up and you're gonna slide this right through there. Okay. And then you're gonna take a rubber band and you're gonna make an X. All right, so this part gets a little hard. Okay, so there's one side, and then you can take another rubber band to finish off your X. All right, so that's gonna kind of put it right in the middle. And then the last thing you need to do is take your spoon, lift up the rubber band, and slide it in. Okay, so it should look like this. So parents, if you want to put it together for them, go for it. All right, next thing, you have a couple of different options. You can take your little snowflake sticker, you can stick it into the middle of this snowflake, or you can put it into the cup. I'm gonna put it into the cup because I want to.
That's right.
Because I want to. All right, and now comes the fun part. You should have a couple of different size snowballs. This is where you get to play. All right, so you can arrange these anywhere. You can actually put it right on top, any way you want. If you want to have this a target and this a target, whatever you want to do. I'm gonna put mine on top. All right, now the goal is to get the snowball actually in the cup. But if I land around the side, I'm still good.
Yeah, halfway.
Kind of like horseshoes.
That's right.
All right, I am gonna use my big fluffy snowball. You want to put your cup somewhere in front, and I'm trying not to aim directly at you, Miss Rachel.
That's all right.
It's probably gonna come. All right, so you put it on top of the spoon. Take your finger. Now, depending on how far down you push, is gonna depend on how far it goes. Same with the way you turn it. Okay, so try to line it up the best you can, and then just see. Maybe you do it like that, and you're like, well, that didn't go very far. What does that tell me?
Gotta go harder.
I gotta go push down a little bit harder. Okay, push it down a little bit harder, a little bit further.
Woo! That one went flying.
That one went a little too far. So, let's adjust it. Ooh, that went over there. So let's turn it a little. Just keep adjusting. Ah!
Yes, hallelujah. We got it in.
All right, you guys, you can have fun with this all day. Put it away, bring it out another day. This will be a lot of fun. Make it a competition. Have fun with your family. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.